I'm 1 month away from going on my very first bear hunt. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. I'm going to Maine, Tucker Ridge Outdoors. Tucker Ridge. Yeah, Tucker Ridge Outdoors. I like 1 hour at a time. It's just kind of a mental game that I play with myself. What in the world? Squirrel was raising hell back there in the tree. Anyway. All right, with it being August 1st, of course, it's my birthday month. Excited about that. Can't wait till my birthday get here. But I'm 1 month away from going on my first archery black bear hunt. I'm looking forward to it. I'm headed up to Maine, hunting with Tucker Ridge Outdoors. It's the outfitter. And just looking to be up in Maine this time of the year. Every time I've been in Maine, it's been like multiple inches, feet of snow on the ground, just super, super cold. But going in September, looking forward to the scenery, all of that stuff. And of course, looking to kill my first black bear with my bow. I've killed like tons of deer, hogs, turkey, ram last year with my bow. So a black bear is something that I haven't done. I'm looking forward to the challenge. Hopefully I'll be able to execute the shot and then get it back here and put it back here in my office as a part of my trophies. But before we could even get to that, I got to start my preparation. My black bear target came today, so I'm going to go outside it a little bit, set that up, start flinging some arrows at it, trying to get my bearings. But even before I go outside, and since I knew, or ever since I booked this hunt, I should say, I've been studying bear anatomy. Like everyone that I've talked to, just say bears are different, their vitals are different. So I've been doing a lot of studying, looking on websites like Meat Eater, looking on websites like Muley Freak. They got great resources, videos from the Paul Corn Bowhunting channel. He's got a ton of bear hunting videos, bear hunting magazine, bow hunting road, like all these different YouTube channels that got great videos on where to shoot a bear, where to put your shot, and then just great hunts. It's got me excited, got me pumped up. So I'm just going to go outside. Like I said, I'm going to get my target set up, get started, and start this journey, hopefully to killing my first black bear with bow hunting equipment. All right, dirt mesh archery target came in today. Go get it set up, start putting up some shots. I love these targets. Ordered it from Lancaster Archery. Matter of fact, I was up there last week, first time visiting the store. Really enjoyed it. I mean, it's like an archery paradise, especially if you're into target archery, bow hunt, and all that stuff. I mean, it's the place to go. But anyway, I ordered this target, gonna get it set up. I got a deer target, and I'll show you that in a minute, but I really like this target because it's basically, there are no rings, none of that stuff. You can see like the outline area, the vital area, or wherever you need to hit, but the further back you go from it, it's just like shooting at a real animal, so it teaches you to shoot at spots and shot placement instead of trying to hit like a ring, so that's why I like it. All right, took the target out, spread it out, wanted to get a first look at it. Man, this is realistic. If I harvest a black bear, if I shoot a black bear, you harvest vegetables. If I shoot a black bear this size, man, I would be ecstatic. Again, love how the lines are so faint. You can see it here, I can study it a little bit, but then when I sit down, get ready to start shooting, won't be able to see that, and the object, however, is to make a great shot. So let's get this target up here and let's get started with it. Like using these self-tapping screws to hold this target down. Drill leaves a little bit to be desired. I need to get some power out here so I can use a real power drill. This thing right here gets on my nerves. Obviously, the key to setting this thing is to set it where you can still, A, see that it's a bear, B,
have like a good face for your target. So this is a good area. This is the area that I'm trying to hit it in, so that'll work there. Get our first screw, get our drill. Hopefully the drill will cooperate. Never know what you're gonna get when you're recording and on camera. Okay, 1 for 1. Out here in Crocs, probably not the smartest thing, but it's definitely comfortable. And I only say smart because I'm wearing with the ants and stuff. But neither here nor there. Let's see if we can go 2 for 2 here. Almost. A little elbow grease. There we go. One thing is for sure, Georgia don't care nothing about this humidity out here, boy. It is humid. I'm sweating, so I'm sorry if you see me all on the video sweating or whatever, but y'all don't care about stuff like that. Anyway, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna fight these gnats off. I'm gonna start putting up some shots and then see where I'm at with this bear target and getting comfortable. Right now, I'm sitting at about 20 yards. That's where I'm gonna start at. Now, it's funny, when I look at the guide from the outfitter, the info, the prelim info that he sent, one of the things you got to do when you be able to go to camp is shoot from a seated position from 30 yards. Now, I plan on hunting from a ground blind. I like hunting from ground blinds. It makes it easier to film as well. And plus, I think I'm a better shot from the ground than I am up on the tree stand. But either way, when we get to camp, you got to be able to be proficient from 30 yards. With this being my first time, I'm starting at 20, get comfortable, then I'll back up to 30, be practicing at 30, and then those 20-yard shots will be chip shots. All right, so let's get started. Let's see where I'm at. Yeah, see, to me, looking at this right here looks a little far back to me. It's in the kill zone, might be a little back lung, maybe a little liver, but let's try again and see what we got. This shot's a little bit higher than the last one, and according to the target, it's right in that kill zone area. If you back up, you look at the bear, looks like I'm off of his shoulder, so I'm not in that shoulder. I've cleared that right there in the lung. That should be a dead bear right there. Good second shot. So again, looking at it, another good shot in the kill zone, right where we wanted to be at. So off to a good start with my bear practice, but got to keep practicing, keep working so we can make that shot count when September comes.